Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to auto completed status for all existing processing order in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order page. Now you see processing 27 order we have. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see post status processing. So we are going to change processing order status completed. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to ordered page. Now you see we have 27 processing order. Now you see our processing order status changed to completed order status. Now you don't see any processing order status here. Now you see. So by using this code we are going to change existing processing order status to completed. Now you see. Now go to order section. You don't see any processing order. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.